Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. We're standing outside of a 2025, it's a brand new all-wheel drive 144 Sprinter. This is available for sale, and this may be the last van that we do this year. We've got some behind the scenes going on with my brother, medical wise, and we're just not sure what the future is going to hold. So if you have had any interest in one of our builds, this again could be the last chance for this year. We're just not sure going forward. Come on in and take a peek. Starting in the kitchen of this beautiful brand new 2025 all-wheel drive 144 high roof Sprinter, done up in our shelter layout, we've got a huge, nice, deep sink with a pull-down faucet. Below on the face on the right is the water pump switch, and on the left is the release button to the 10-gallon undermounted water tank. Under the sink there's tons of storage, the switch to the hot water heater, a water filter, and then also there's storage for your propane that is for the stove. Aspen is equipped with a 2-burner propane stove to handle all of your cooking needs. A 19-inch flip-up extension really adds some much-needed counter space in the van, turning the kitchen base into over 4 feet in length. Rounding out the kitchen is a large cutlery drawer for all of your utensils, and below that is an isotherm 85 fridge that provides plenty of space for close to a week's worth of food. On the driver's side there's another counter, and below that are 4 additional drawers and a conveniently placed step to help get you into bed. Under the seat is your toilet storage, and we'll be providing a Trolino composting toilet with Aspen. Aspen is perfect for 2 people, and with the 2 front chairs on swivels, it creates the perfect table setting for van life. A large slider AMA window is dressed beautifully with some pull-down blackout shades. Rounding out the living room are 2 large overhead storage cabinets. Each have a magnetic close with struts, and the leather handles provide that home on wheels feel. The bedroom is equipped with a queen mattress and views for days. The bump outs we use are van capsules from the company Van Speed. Both sides of the capsules have a screen slider window that really brightens up the bedroom. Two more overhead cabinets sit above the foot of the bed. Bedroom also has dimmable reading lights with built-in USB ports, and the Max Air Fan remote wall mount makes for easy access anywhere in the van. A nice upgrade in Aspen is this Velvet 12-volt air conditioner, which has a very user-friendly app to control it, along with the Velvet diesel heater included. Coming into the garage area, you'll find all of your electric on the driver's side. A 2500 watt Ames inverter, a Victron battery-to-battery and solar charge controller, and then 460 amp hours of lithium battery power to power all of your needs on the road. The passenger side houses all of the plumbing, including the water inlet to the 20-gallon freshwater tank, a heated outdoor shower, a window to gauge your water level, and also the water heater. Onto the exterior, and you'll find a Flatline Van Company rear door tire carrier and ladder combo. There is also a Flatline Van Company side ladder attached to a roof rack that also houses 400 watts of solar. And finally, we've upgraded Aspen with some all-terrain Salem tires and flat black rims for the sleek black-on-black look. Thank you so much for making it all the way through. Again, this is for sale. I'm gonna have a link to the full listing in the description below. And also, for a little bit more information of what's going on behind the scenes, more personally with us here, there's gonna be a Caring Bridge link below. So please take a peek at that just so you can understand what's going on. We're doing our best to keep everybody up to date the best that we can and still maintain some privacy here, and we appreciate all the support. Reach out if you have any questions about this beautiful shelter layout, and we'll catch you on the next one.